from underground roots. Okay, from underground roots means some plants or some vegetables or some fruits grows into or penetrate into the deep inside the soils. It is called as the underground roots, or it is called another name, it is called as the tap roots. So which fruits or which vegetables grow in the underground roots? Do you know such examples? Okay, so you can write it the underground roots, but from according to my opinion, the underground roots are the potatoes, carrot, radish. Okay, it is the underground roots. Or fibrous roots means you can tell the maize, etc. Maize, jasmine, rose, etc. Okay, from stem. Okay, which fruit or which vegetable can grow with the help of the stem? It is also called as the creepers. Okay, do you know the creepers grow along the ground? So stem grows the strawberry. Second one is the pumpkin. Or third one it is the watermelon. We are familiar with this fruit, watermelon. Okay, these are the three trees or three fruits with grows with the help of the stem. One it is the from leaves. Okay, from leaves the plants will grow, that name it is the begonias. Okay, we have heard this first time, this plant name begonias and bryophyllum. Okay, so let's learn about what is meant by the begonias and bryophyllum. Okay, so first it is the begonias. It is the plants and they have a thick leaf, but however they have a thick leaf, but they can easily break, and begonias flower have many flowers. Begonias plants have many flowers on the plants. Okay, now what is meant the bryophyllum? It is the leaf. Bryophyllum it is the leaf, and it is the amphibians, means the bryophyllum leaf occurs in a in land also, and in water also. So it is called as the amphibians. Like amphibious animals, bryophyllum it is the type of leaves. Okay, this is the leaf, for example. This is the edges or leaf margin, you can say it. Okay, in the bryophyllum, the new plants are also grow. From the bud to the new plants are grow. Means on the edges the new plants are grow in the bryophyllum. Means bryophyllum also can germinate the new plants, but the new plants are grow on the edges of the bryophyllum leaf. Okay. Now last concept, it is the from spores. Okay, some plants have a no flower or no seeds. They grow with the help of the spore. Now ever wonder why spore? Okay, now what kind of such a plants grow with the help of the spore? Okay, spores means it is the extremely tiny cells. Okay, it is the extremely tiny cells. It is called as the spore. Extremely tiny cells, it is called as the spores. Some plants have no flower and no seeds, grow with the help of spores. So now here you have been giving flowers, no flowers. So no flowers only include the two ferns and mosas. Ferns have a no roots, mosas have a ferns have a roots, mosas have do not roots. But mosas have a plants and ferns have a do not leaves, and mosas have a leaf. Okay, so which are the plants are included in the from spores? So first one, it is the mushroom. Mushroom, you can see the mushroom do not have flowers. One, it is the ferns. Second one, it is the ostrich. Okay, ostrich birds means ostrich, not that ostrich birds. It is the ostrich tree. Okay, from spores. Now this lesson has been finished here, and the question answer of this lesson you will be sent soon.